Welcome to the channel, Crypto DNA. Today we are going to do a quick summary. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Avalanche is a Layer 1, proof-of-stake blockchain that facilitates decentralized apps, smart contracts, and custom networks. It is faster and more energy efficient than Ethereum, where speeds can reach 6,500 transactions per second. Avalanche was launched by Ava Labs, founded by former Cornell University professors and PhD students, Emin Sirer, Kevin Seknicki, and Ted Yin. The project closed a seed round in February 2019 with investors like Andreessen Horowitz and Balaji Srinivasan. The ICO launched in 2020 and raised $42 million. The token symbol is AVAX and trades on most crypto exchanges. There is 720 million tokens in circulation. The Avalanche network consists of 3 interoperable blockchains: X-Chain, which creates and exchanges the native AVAX tokens and other assets using the Avalanche consensus mechanism. C-Chain hosts smart contracts and decentralized applications, uses the Snowman consensus mechanism. P-Chain coordinates network validators, tracks active subnets, and enables the creation of new subnets using the Snowman consensus mechanism. These blockchains divide computing tasks, which enables higher throughput and scalability. The platform continues to develop an ecosystem of dApps, DeFi, and bridges to other blockchains. Check the description for the latest deals and promotions. You can also visit our website for more content, merchandise, and other special offers. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.